Hi friends, welcome back to AvanPakasastram. I hope everyone is doing well. Take care of yourself. Today I will show you how to make horse gram powder. Required ingredients are horse gram, Urad Dal, Chana Dal, Dhaniya, Jeera Seeds, red chilies, groundnuts, sesame, cashew, curry leaves, tamarind, hing and salt. On the flame, place a pan on it. Add 3 cups of horse gram seeds into it. Without adding any oil, only add horse gram seeds, groundnuts, 1 tablespoon of groundnuts, and again sesame, 1 tablespoon. Saute well, mix all the ingredients very well. Remember, no oil. Add 4 cashews. It will add more taste to the recipe. Fry until golden brown color. All the ingredients has to be cooked well now, so I have closed it. Let it fry well. After that, this is very healthy, you know. You can use it in many ways. Keep it aside. Take another pan. Add oil into it. Add a pinch of turmeric powder. Add Urad Dal, 1 tablespoon. Add Chana Dal, 1 tablespoon. Dhaniya Seeds, 1 tablespoon. Jeera, 1 tablespoon. Red chilies, 6 in number. Add curry leaves. Add a pinch of hing. Mix all the ingredients very well. Fry it until golden brown color. Tamarind ball. All the ingredients have to be fried well. Make sure that they are not in black color, only in golden brown color. This is very healthy, you know. Seriously, horse gram is very much healthy. It will give strength to our bones. There are many things now, so let it cook for 3 to 4 minutes. It has to be fried well. Transfer this into jar. Add salt and make a fine powder. Horse gram powder is ready. Thanks for watching. Like it, share it, subscribe it, Jai Hind.